Ever wondered why the USA tops the chart in tornado occurrences? It's all about geography. The unique location of the USA, particularly the Midwest, fuels tornado formation. This area's flat landscape allows cold air from Canada to collide with warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico, creating a perfect storm. But that's not all. The USA's expansive landmass also plays a crucial role, offering vast spaces for these weather clashes. So, next time you hear about a tornado in the USA, remember it's more than just a twist of fate.